Welcome back to the Mentorship Corner. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Untitled. If you are joining us for the first time, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe. So I think I should have started with subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, like, share, and then comment down below so that we can engage. Today is the day. I'll see if I can find a drum roll sound. I'm sharing with you guys our first official online course. Sure, what a journey. I've been working on this course for almost 3 years now because it's always just been something that I wanted to share with the platform. I wanted to have an online course that was going to help you to grow, help you to take that step, that step towards the right direction in your life. So let me just not dwell on that, but basically I want you to know that this course was designed with you in mind. It comes from a very special part of my heart, and it means absolutely the world to me to be sharing this with you guys in terms of the online course content. And yeah, I'm super excited, and I'm hoping with you it's gonna have the impact in your lives that it did on my life. So the online course is gathered around the things that I had to learn for the past almost 10 years of my life, the lessons that I've had to learn. And basically it's also based on research that I did to ensure I give you guys factual information that's actually going to help you to grow. It's going to help you to be a little bit of a better version of yourself. And I think the main thing about the course, it's introducing you to tapping into that inner you and understanding you better and loving you better. The name of the course is called The Journey to Me, but as you guys can hear from the name, it's basically going to be centered around self-discovery and self-love and self-improvement and personal growth and development. So the why for the course, that's the first thing that we're going to discuss. The why is basically, I wrote this out here, I just wanted to read it as I wrote it. I believe a very important step in owning your life and success is learning more about yourself, understanding what works for you and what doesn't. That is what inspired the Journey to Me course. Let me repeat that. So I believe that your key to success is knowing you better. It's knowing more about yourself. That way you'll be able to identify what your purpose in life is, and you'll be able to identify what your passion is, and then you'll be able to follow that to live a more purposeful and a more happier life. And also I think a more wholesome life where tackles every part of your being, and you are absolutely happy with who you are as a person and what you are doing. And I believe that understanding what works for you and what doesn't work for you is a very essential part into taking that next step in your career, or that first step in your career, or that first step in whatever relation that you're getting into, for example. So that's basically what inspired that course. So the course outline, as I said, this course was built with you in mind. It will help you tackle the following topics. So it is a 4-day course, self-paced, self-taught, and it's very independent. So I'm not going to be doing any tutorials with you guys. No, everything that you're gonna need is gonna be on the course sheet. Everything. There's also going to be links to the articles that you may need to read just to help you understand things a little bit better. Also, there's going to be like links to some of the videos that I've shot to help you understand a few things a little bit better. But I will not be doing any lectures. I will not be doing any tutorials. If you would like me to assist you with anything, my email is going to be there on the course that you can use to communicate with me directly for the course. So yeah, it's definitely independent. Age wise, anyone above the age of anyone who is 16 years and older is allowed to take the course. So if you've got a daughter or a son that you would like to get to know themselves better, you can purchase the course for them, and then they can complete it on their own, and then maybe you can help guide them wherever they may be struggling. If you guys need my opinion, you are more than welcome. If you need my assistance, to drop me that email. So 4 topics that is going to help you to tackle in your life. We are going to touch on self-discovery 1. Number 2 is self-love. Number 3 is journaling and gratitude journaling, which is very, very important. And then we're gonna learn how to build sustainable routines. So first of all, you need to learn to love yourself better in order for you to be able to love people around you, in order to be able to take care of other people around you. 2, in order for you to love yourself, you need to know who you are, and you need to know what you stand for, and you need to know what works for you and what doesn't. So Oprah always says the best way to figure out what works for you is to figure out what doesn't, or what you do not want. So figure that out, discover yourself, then you'll be able to take care of yourself better and to love yourself better. Then we've got journaling. Journaling just ties self-discovery and self-love all together, because it also embraces the fact that you live in a world where there's other human beings, there's other factors that actually affect you instead of just the internal factors, which is just yourself. So then you're able to reflect on that. And then gratitude journaling touches on being grateful. I feel like we live in a social media world where everything looks lavish and great, but as a matter of fact, we all go through stuff, and it's okay to go through stuff. That's just your process. That's just how your life is supposed to go. But you need to be grateful for what you have in order for you to be able to appreciate what you're about to acquire, or new things that you have acquired in your life. You must be grateful for what you currently have. And then the last one is building routines. This was inspired by Atomic Habits, the book, because I'm a routines person, because I love the order, guys. Like, there has to be order, else I'm gonna go crazy. That's why I'm always the one who's organizing stuff, like planning my events for my families, planning my ceremonies, helping my friends with organizing stuff, because I just love the order. Where there's no order, I can't function. So I decided to add a routine, because that also affects how you turn out in life. So your routine, it's basically building good habits that will become your life. So there's a quote, I think eating something about habits. Oh my goodness, guys, it's in going to this quote. I think it's something along the lines of, we decide on our habits and our habits decide our future, something like that. So basically it in simple terms, it means, if you decide to have bad habits, you can't expect to have a successful life, a brighter future. So you must control your habits, make sure you've got good habits like laid down, so that you can have a brighter future, because your habits decide on your future, right? So you decide on the habits, and the habits decide on your future. So I felt like this kind of ties everything up all together. So yeah, that's basically the summary of the course. Last note that I wrote is that with this course, I am hoping to spark that self-love journey we are all a bit scared of. I hope you will learn to find peace and joy in you. I'm going to repeat that. With this course, I'm hoping to spark that self-love journey that we are all a bit scared of. I hope you will learn to find peace and joy in you. That's my hope for you on the course. In terms of prices, the course comes in a package. It comes with a journal and the online course. It is only 380 rands if you're getting the full package. If you want to buy them separate, the course itself is 200 rands and the journal is 180 rands. So as I said, we are gonna have a pre-order sale, which is gonna basically start tomorrow, for the last week of September. And then you can place your order. You're gonna get a 20% discount off everything if you purchase within that pre-order sale week. Then after that, the course and the journal are gonna go at the normal prices. I am gonna share our website down below. So we now have a website. I'm super excited for that. On the website, that's where you can go and purchase the course. So it's going to take you to a page where you're going to add your details, and then I'll be able to contact you directly if you would like to use YouTube, you can drop me a comment in the comment section that you would like to purchase the course, and then I'll try and get back to you. But I think the easiest thing is just to click on that website. The website is www.nomtandazosibia.com. So get onto the website and you'll be able to purchase the course. And then if we would see you finding it a bit difficult, you can always DM us on Instagram. Please do not use my personal page, use the Mentorship Corner page, and just slide onto the DMs and tell me that you want to purchase the course, and then I'll be able to assist you from there. So yeah, it's going on sale from tomorrow, 20% off the course and the journal, and then from the 1st of October it's going to be back to the normal price, and yeah, that's when it's going to be launching officially. I'm super excited for this. I hope you enjoy taking the course as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, and that's basically it for today. The course is literally like my love letter to you. It's literally my love letter to you, and yeah, I love you guys absolutely a lot. Thank you for listening till this far. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please do share, because I feel like the course will benefit almost everyone, actually everyone. So please do share the course information with your family and your friends, so that they can start their self-discovery journey and hopefully start living their most purposeful life by taking those sometimes hard but very necessary decisions in their lives. I love you guys absolutely a lot. It's goodbye from me.